This is my favorite demonstration. We will have loudest phase transition. I will take this bottle, I will fill it with liquid nitrogen, I will close it, I will seal it, and I will put it in this barrel with water. What will happen? Liquid nitrogen will warm up, it will evaporate, turn into gas, and nitrogen as gas takes up 700 times more volume. Let's do it! Liquid nitrogen goes into the bottle. Now we close it, we seal it. And it goes into the barrel with water.